Hey everybody, we're beginning job safety, and starting out this week we have a couple things coming up. First, job safety pretest, job safety physical hazards OSHA notes sheet and presentation we're going to do, and job safety video assignment number 1. So we're going to go in here, take care of the red folder, do Wednesday, this should be Thursday, sorry. Driver's license, auto insurance card, and up-to-date pay stubs. Again, you'll notice we marked those missing last week if you did not have those completed. Orange folder, hybrid distance learning weekly assignments, workplace safety pretest, workplace safety presentation and completed notes uploaded there, and workplace safety video and discussion. So you're watching this video. Here's the pretest you'll be taking. Here is our first assignment, job safety notes. So goal, you'll understand the importance of protecting yourself from physical hazards at work, and you'll understand what OSHA is in the workplace. You're going to watch this presentation video. You're going to use this note sheet right here. You can print it out and do it by hand, or you can do it electronically, make a copy of it. Making sure to pause the video when you need it to write in the notes. When you're completed with that, you're going to submit the assignment, the notes assignment here. Going back to this week's folder, you're going to do job safety video assignment. The goal on this, you're going to reflect on the importance in protecting yourself from physical hazards at work. You're going to watch the teen workers video, and then you're going to do a discussion post. So we'll go into this one. This is a discussion post assignment. Before you post, please look at the rubric here. We are looking for good quality writing that looks professional. A 10 out of 10 is more than 4 sentences. You are one of the best employees. It would be hard to replace you. 8 out of 10, 2 to 3 sentences. Your writing is complete. Details could be expanded more. You're completing what the boss asked you to do. 1 sentence. Your work writing needs expansion. Your quality of work is starting to cost your company money. 4 out of 10. Not even a complete sentence. You're costing the company money on a regular basis. You're in jeopardy of losing your job. So we want you to be writing at the 10 level, professional level. Course 1 students, which means you've only taken seminar course the first time. You haven't done this course before. You're going to post 3 takeaways from the video and talk about this part. Course 2 students, you've been in this course already last semester. You have a different assignment out of that same video. Course 3 and 4 students, so you've been in this course 2 semesters previously or 3 semesters previously. You have a different assignment. So according to what course you're in, you will fill out one of these. You don't have to do all 3. You're not going to do all 3. You're going to do all 3 if you stay in this course for more than 1 semester. If you're unsure of which one to do, please email your work-based learning coordinator and they will let you know what course you're in. So that's how you complete this assignment. So again, required paperwork, make sure to do pay stub, driver's license. I always say to all my students, again, reminding them to put a link to that on your phone and it will go a lot quicker. And then you are completing these assignments here. Here's job safety presentation that I go through in the video. If you want to use that for your notes because you got to go back and forth and pick up some information, great. Use that for studying. That's there for a resource. Enjoy and have a great week, students. Be safe at work.